Hi everyone. We are now going to do a consolidation practice of the first two movements in the T'ai Chi Chih series, rocking motion and bird flaps its wings. So stand with your feet in a V, resting pose position. Palms are lightly cupped as if resting on vibrating balls of energy. And I'm just focusing my awareness in the soles of my feet, and let's just all take a breath. Good. Shift to the right, step side left, and make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart, and then begin rocking motion by shifting the weight back. Hands come behind the body, and then up to about chest height, curving over the top, leading with the wrists slightly as you shift back. And we're going to go a little faster than what we went, the speed that we went in the instructional video. Keep up with this pace, even if it feels too slow for you, just as you're learning, so that you can learn another principle of T'ai Chi Chih, which is continuity. We've talked about polarity between the palms. Softness and continuity is another principle of T'ai Chi Chih. Good. Feel your feet. Feel your feet. Even if you're trying to remember all the different parts, when you reach a saturation point with that mental learning process, just pause in yourself and just realize, I'm going to go back to the soles of my feet. That's the most important thing. So this is an awareness practice. And through the single pointed awareness in the soles of the feet, or the dantian later on, we are balancing and circulating the body's natural energy, or chi. Good. Some refinements to remember: our wrists release completely when they pass the hips. They curve around the back, coming up, curve over the top. When the heels touch, the knees are soft, not locked. Toes rise, now shifting forward. Heels rise, sinking down. Moving from the dantian. Shifting from the dantian, not leading with the shoulders or the head, but we're really moving from here. We'll do a couple more. Feel your feet. Breathe. And then to close, shift your weight back to the right, pick up your left foot, turn over the palms, take a breath. And take another breath, focusing in the soles of the feet. Good job. So rocking motion, and then we're going to stand up and breathe in between movements. We don't need to hold that. That builds tension if you hold it too long. So stand and breathe. Good. Still focusing in the soles of the feet. And another breath. Okay, let's do bird flaps its wings. So we're starting here. Drop your knees forward, flap. Slow, 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 polarity between the palms, awareness of that connection. 2. And then on the third one, wrist circle forward, 1, and to the top of the second one. So 1.5 circles, depends on how you count them, but that's a reference point. 2. Slow, slow, slow. Wrist circle forward. And one more set. circle forward. Scoop up, separate, and everything sinks together. Take a breath here in the resting pose. This pose is also called the graceful conclusion. So another breath. Good. And stand up. And then after any amount of movements that we practice, we do something called a pose of cosmic consciousness. So we're going to learn that now. Left heel on right ankle, left hand closest to the face, right hand comes around. The hands do not touch in between, there's a little space. Elbows parallel to the ground. Lean a little to the left to balance the weight. And then gaze softly about 6 feet in front of you. Downward pointing gaze between your thumbs. And breathe. And feel your feet. And breathe again. And then bring your left heel and your hands back down, back to the resting pose. Take a breath. And then relax. And pat yourself on the back. Good job.